Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is select the option applicable to most of the algae. Most of the algae में क्या अप्लाई होगा वो ध्यान में रखते हुए हमें आंसर देना है. और यहाँ पे हमें ध्यान में क्या रखना है, फर्टिलाइजेशन कैसा होता है एल्गी में और जाइगोट किस तरह का फॉर्म होता है. दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट. तो हमारा यहाँ पे की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा reproduction in algae. एल्गी की अगर बात करें तो ये ऑटोट्रॉफिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं which bear chlorophyll. They are part of plant kingdom as well. And they have a thalloid body. Body is not very well differentiated and more of like thallus. अगर हम reproduction की बात करें तो majorly algae are aquatic organisms. And they can perform these three different types of reproduction. So algae can have vegetative reproduction like plants, larger plants. Vegetative reproduction में क्या होगा, they can produce fragments जिसे हम fragmentation process कहते हैं. It majorly happens in case of Spirogyra. Spirogyra is an example for this. क्या होता है कि body of algae is going to break down into small fragments and then these fragments can give rise to a new body or a new algae body, right? And दूसरा हमारे पास आता है asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, as the name suggests, there is requirement of single parent only. No gametes are going to be formed. No gametes are formed in this case, hence no fertilization takes place, but there is formation of spores. So asexual reproduction in algae occurs through spores. यहाँ पे दो तरह के spores बनते हैं algae में. One is known as zoospore, which are motile in nature because they have flagella. Hence they are also known as flagellated. They are flagellated, thus they are motile. And अगर हम बात करें दूसरे टाइप के स्पोर की, that is aplanospores. Aplanospores are the ones which do not have any flagella. They are non-flagellated. Hence they cannot move freely, so they are non-motile as well. Now, there is third type of reproduction in case of algae as well, that is known as sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction की अगर हम बात करें तो as sexual reproduction we know that there is requirement of two parents over here. The gametes will be made, right? So gamete formation will take place over here, male and female, both gametes will be made and fusion of them will take place. That means fertilization will happen over here. So fertilization occurs in such reproduction. Now, if we talk about the types of gametes that can be formed in the case of algae, so these are three types that we have. One is isogamous. Isogamous gametes means the gametes are going to be similar to each other. That means in size and shape they are going to be similar. Both gametes are going to be similar over here. On the other hand, if we talk about anisogamous gametes are those gametes in which both gametes are dissimilar. Male and female gametes are not similar to each other. So one can be bigger, one can be smaller, or both are going to be very different from each other. Now, if we talk about the third type of gametes that can be formed in case of algae, that is oogamous condition. Now, in oogamous condition, what happens? One gamete is big and non-motile, that like female gamete generally is big here and it is non-motile in nature. And on the other hand, the male gamete is going to be small and motile in nature. Now, if we talk about sexual reproduction, there will be fertilization occurring, and if fertilization happens, there will be formation of zygote as well. So let's understand that what will happen over here. If we talk about in any of the case where the gamete is going to meet and fertilization is going to happen. So over here, the fertilization in most of the algae cases is external. External fertilization takes place in most of the algae. And if we talk about zygote, zygote becomes zygospore after fertilization, as it needs to survive in extreme conditions. So it develops a thick wall around it. Thick wall is present which enables the zygospore to survive in extreme conditions. Now with this concept, let's try to read the question once again. तो हमें क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था कि मोस्ट ऑफ द एल्गी के केस में क्या होता है, क्या फर्टिलाइजेशन एक्सटर्नल होता है और जाइगोट थिक वॉल्ड होता है, या एक्सटर्नल होता है और जाइगोट थिन वॉल्ड होता है, इंटरनल होता है या थिक वॉल्ड होता है. तो विद ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स दैट वी हैव डिस्कस, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन जब एल्गी में होता है तो देयर इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गैमीट्स और फर्टिलाइजेशन भी होता है. फर्टिलाइजेशन यहाँ जनरली एक्सटर्नल होता है, देयर इज नो इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन इन केस ऑफ एल्गी. एंड जाइगोट में जाइगोस्पोर बन जाता है विच इज थिक वॉल्ड, जो कि इसको इनेबल करता है टू सर्वाइव इन एनी एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन. हेंस द करेक्ट आंसर ओवर हियर विल बी one option, that is external and thick walled. So we can say the final answer is option A. I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.